Hey folks, this is Riyadh from MANNLEE. MANNLEE is the leading door and window manufacturer in the world. MANNLEE provides different types of doors like aluminum doors, pivot doors, invisible doors, solid doors. MANNLEE also provides windows like bifold windows, fixer windows, skylight windows and so on. You can customize your product based on your requirements. In the last 20 years, MANNLEE has done more than 150,000 projects successfully. Here is the profile for the aluminum windows. As you can see, this aluminum windows is the thermal bricks. You can see thermal bricks aluminum. Here are the casement open section. The tempered glass in the middle has the material to keep this area. You can see keep this area. We also have casement mesh. This is called casement mesh. You can see, and this security mesh is called KK mesh. We can meet your requirements for the commercial series as per your price target. We can also meet your quality standard requirements. Thank you so much.